Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download Better Discord on your PC. Now, to download and install Better Discord, first open up the browser to download. You can use any browser you like that you normally use and search Better Discord download on your browser. Once you search it, go to this first link provided. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Now, here as soon as you enter the page, you can find download button, download version 1.9.2. Click on download and it will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, open it. You can even go to file, open it from your downloads. Now the first step to install Better Discord is to accept this license agreement right here and then click on next. Here, click on install Better Discord and then click next. Here, click on this Discord and now click install. As soon as you click install, it will start installing. It might take a few minutes. Now you might find everything is normal, but if you go into this setting here, if you scroll down below, you can find Better Discord settings here. Hope this video was useful. Do like and subscribe and mention a comment down below if you have any further issues.